Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to tag everyone in the WhatsApp group at once. Alright, so let's begin. Start by opening the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. So once you're in the app, navigate to the group chat where you want to tag everyone. Next, in the message field, type the @ symbol. This will prompt WhatsApp to show you a list of all the members in the group. After that, type @ everyone in the message field. Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't have a feature to tag everyone at once with @ everyone. So what you need to do instead is to manually type the @ symbol followed by the name of each group member one by one. As you type, WhatsApp will suggest names from your group's member list. Simply tap on the name of each member you want to tag. Once you've tagged all the members you want, tap on the send button to send your message and all your selected members will be tagged. So that's basically how you can tag everyone in the WhatsApp group at once. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.